Hi guys, Drew here from Prepared Camping, and today I've been to my local Lidl and got myself some rather interesting items. This week seems to be barbecue week, so I got myself a couple of these extending forks. Now they're saying that you can use these for cooking sausages, but I got them mainly for when we go camping, so you can put like marshmallows on them and things like that. And you know, it seemed pretty good value. It was $2.99 each, so I got a couple of them. They also did the little fans that you can use to get your charcoal going, that I used to make the mini forge. Although I do think that the one I got from China, even though it took about 3 weeks to arrive, was £1 cheaper. I think it was only $1.99 rather than $2.99. But still, a bargain. A stand for doing beer can chicken that won't fall over. Now, this is the actual item that we went out to get, the ice making machine. Summer is upon us and we go through quite a lot of ice in our house. And when we saw that this was being sold for $79.99, which sounds quite expensive, that's only 80 bags of ice. It comes with a 3-year warranty. And we go through way more than 30 bags of ice in a year. When we go camping, we take at least 10 kilos of ice, because we have 2 great big igloo ice boxes that we fill up. And considering my wife packs everything but the kitchen sink when we go camping, I can easily see that this will go in the back of the truck as well. So it's actually really quite simple to use. You just lift the ice tray out, which collects the ice cubes as they're being formed. You fill the bottom part with water, and you don't come above this little mark here. That's like the max fill line. Then you just close the lid, turn it on. Robert's your father's brother. The fan is actually surprisingly quiet, which is pretty good actually, to be fair. I mean, if you were going to use this on a camping trip and take it with you, you don't want something that's really loud rattling away in the background. But yeah, not too bad. And it's quite a compact size, you know. If you are going car camping or in a caravan or something like that, you could take this with you quite easily. Scoop. Yeah. And another one.
Are these some ice for me in my drink?
Yeah, we can have some in yours as well. Now the good thing about Lidl is that each week that I go in there, they can get these little magazines that tells you what the next week's special buys are going to be. And I follow quite a few people that are into their metal detecting. Now I know they'll probably laugh when they see this, but next week they're selling a little kit for $49.99. Now that's cheap enough that an idiot like me can actually buy it and see if it's something I'll be interested in without having to spend a lot of money. So I'm going to do that and see what it's like next week. So that's my pick of the bargains at Lidl this week. Anyway, thanks very much for watching guys, and as always, till next time, take care.